Today I'll be showing you how to enable file and printer sharing in Windows 10. So file and printer sharing is the ability to allow Windows to actually share files or printers with other computers that are also connected to the network. So this can be very useful if you're trying to make files and folders accessible to other people within the network, and specifically with the printer sharing, it's very useful to help allow other people that are on your network to connect to certain printers. So we're going to start by heading over to our start menu, and we're going to left click on that. Then we're going to type control panel. A couple different ways to get to what we're about to go to, but this is just the way I feel is best. So it should be listed right above the desktop app. So left click on that, and then left click on network and internet. Then left click on view network status and task. Then left click on change advanced sharing settings. So if you want to enable file and printer sharing, on the second section down at the bottom here where it says turn on file and printer sharing, left click on the little circle next to that. It'll put it in the on position. And then at the bottom, left click on this button that says save changes. And please note that you might be prompted for a username and password of an administrative account in order to save those changes. So if we go back in, and we can see that it successfully saved our selection. So I hope this brief tutorial helped you guys out, and I will catch you in the next video. Goodbye.